Most people think push-ups are easy until they realize they've been doing them wrong their whole life. First, kneel down and place your hands on the mat. Your hands should be slightly wider than shoulder width apart, fingers forward, wrists directly under your shoulders. From your head to your heels, your body should stay in one straight line. Tight core, engaged glutes, chest lifted, no sagging hips. Maintaining this alignment is crucial for protecting your lower back and maximizing the workout. Keep your elbows at about 45 degrees from your body. This protects your shoulders and helps target your chest, triceps, and core. Avoid flaring your elbows out wide. That 4-5 degree angle is the sweet spot for strength. Lower until your chest is just above the ground, then pause for 1 second to build control. Exhale as you press up, keeping your body tight the entire time. Smooth, controlled reps always look stronger than rushing. A perfect push-up is not just about looking good, it is about strength, confidence, and control.